To use Cash App for Roblox, you will need to have a Cash App account and a Roblox account. First, download and install the Cash App on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Create an account and verify your email address and phone number. You will also need to provide some personal information and link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. Once you have set up your Cash App account, open the app and navigate to the Cash Card tab. The Cash Card is a free debit card that is linked to your Cash App balance. You can use the Cash Card to make purchases online, including buying Robux for your Roblox account. To buy Robux with Cash App, go to the Roblox website and sign in to your account. Click on the Robux tab and select the amount of Robux you want to buy. Choose the Cash Card as your payment method and enter the card details. The amount will be deducted from your Cash App balance. It is essential to note that you must be at least 13 years old to use Cash App. And you must have a parent or guardian's permission if you are under 18. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with using Cash App, such as the ATM withdrawal fee and the instant deposit fee. When using Cash App for Roblox, make sure to keep your account information and Cash Card details secure. Do not share your login credentials or card information with anyone. It is also crucial to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. Using Cash App for Roblox is a convenient way to buy Robux and enjoy your favorite games. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a safe and seamless transaction experience. Remember to always use your Cash App account responsibly and follow the terms of service to avoid any issues.